This is the EQ3 equal, CG5 it is, equal to EQ3 mount for the Konus 120 millimeter telescope. This is a Konus Konusuper 120 refractor. The focal point of this is 1000 millimeter 1 meter, and the f ratio or focal ratio is 8.3 f number. And as you can see, this is a quite large telescope, 5-inch almost, and is a refractor. You can see the lens. I'll turn on the flash so you can see what it is so much. And it is on a CG5 mount, which is equal to EQ3, I think, and a little bit thicker than, bigger than EQ3. Quite actually smooth and lovely. The motions are really, it's one of the best mounts I've seen in this range. So easy to adjust and so easy to move the telescope. Look, every angle you can imagine it has balance. It's so easy to set it up. I'm looking forward to observe it, this telescope, Jupiter and probably Saturn, hopefully, and a little bit later, a little bit away from the morning times, more into PM times. So I'm really impressed by the quality of this mount, and these knobs, control knobs, are really good. They're chunky. You can hold them in your hand. It's almost like those space balls that existed with the Swift classic Japanese telescope, and you can see that. Konus is an Italian company, but practically they are equal to a SkyWatcher. They import the same from the same Chinese factory, and yeah, good quality. I have one Konus, and that's really good. That one, 80 millimeter one, really impressive. Let's see how is this one. As you can see, I'm now looking at a pine tree, and you can see the new pine cones are coming. The quality of the image is good, I can say. And the mount is so smooth. I've never seen such a smooth operation for a mount. Yeah, although it is daylight, I have changed the setting of the video so it looks darker than what it actually is. But where I'm making this video using a Meet LX200 Classic. It has a superior optic to anything that I have seen. And it has the slow motion controls unlike the LX9T. That makes it possible to actually move the images. As you can see, I'm moving the micro movements of the telescope. It's possible. This. Yeah, the cuckoo is singing.